akubikirwa gose kerogene no boyo boiga bwechingoko gose waste products yechiombe. Lakini nacha konyaranga nandikira kurigereria boniga oboto bubwirira babwangere gosira egatoka nanda bantu bachagire usimeka matoke in large scale batayite koni amatoke basimeka matoke bune chai kakumenga obwoyo mbororo. Yes,
because it is a fruit. Yes, we classify it as a fruit and also a source of carbohydrates when you cook it. And that is beautifully enough, we have one pack tokoroka banana pack. Banana pack, we have a fungicide for it. A fungicide ne tokoroka sabagusio obokendu. An insecticide. Noenda gari ya matoke, trust me. Sengencho, if you're not close, wautaona nganebuate ebintu bunemiosi very rampant. Ekoli mpaka yatogora the whole liagunse.
Na hapo igo ipskari bikuoma.
Okuoma, normally that is a fungal attack. Obokendu obutokoroka. But fungal attacks is a range. Kurobo kendu it's a range. But to make it easier, naenda bagusin, we are very good at making it understandable. Tokaroka obokendu. Okuomo oku, don't even be worried. Inkyota tarire Jose mugari ngote vinga byomirega tingo okonyega bitaraira ko mugondo
nekiro ko guringe chai yakirwe barafu naro mubwatiri ogo
barafu is the beauty with the tea is it self regenerative. Yes, however tea mostly tebwati most of attacks. Barafu is maybe you can also get a fungicide for that. Yes, but mostly tea is self regenerative. Yes. Again, tokewato mochando mostly is kahawa. Kahawa and abantu bakorere kahawa no more miare, he can tell you people have reaped great from kahawa.
Abantu bari batemire gukora buremi bwe kahawa.
Yes, they are the billionaires of Kisii.
Ego nero ne bwate obwoyo obwaye na mario gaye yoko yarenda.
Yes, like for example, gingo kwanere kahawa, we talked about herbicides. We have a beautiful product, I'll mention it, it is called Allion. Allion ne pre-emergence. When the farm is clean, ogwaka Allion yayo. Inke okonya, riko rio kumenya seka ukonya kuburuga throughout. It gives you time. Kwaru mogondo gwako rebente bya. So, abari mibari wonsipi. Bako ndigeri gasegetembe tebe. Kindly, if you have kahawa, that should be a thing of the past. Let us get you. We right now, unfortunately, we do not have artificial insemination, but we have able veterinary officers who will be able to guide you through. Yes, they'll guide you through on how to get the best, because ours is let us give you the best, so that the rest will be less of a worry to you. What we have, and we have the best veterinary advices that you will get. Yes, we do. Actually, if everybody at that counter is a professional, you will get an agronomist. Luckily, I'm one professional agronomist. You'll get professional veterinaries, because you do not keep livestock for fun. The aim na inchendagere abana bane bainde school na inche nduwa sovotaka. That is the fight. Poverty tupunguze. We have professionals. Amariogo, he talked about he has a poultry chingoko na bwate tugo chiombe chimburi. What I'll show in terms of it, the best of the best dewormers. ng'ombe pia na
kuku kole
vianda ngotwara chire muno ekero lisangurite na ine igase ng'ombe yao, you should be worried. Karibu sana. For that we have vitamins. Twate baigure vitamins. Yes, we have that. As a vet also we have as a chingoko.
Yes.
That is a rampant problem. Yes. I think that has been there. Ntobwate a very good product for that. Yes. And also my tobororo is overcorrect because of some reasons. So ekero go chagari wante biringa yaya nyanchama njebona ndiga obororo bwanchandire. We start from what happened. Okwaretete ngoko enyia. Now the process is clean the place as a chikobera. This is what I'll give you. Abune dust. We have a beautiful dust. We have Sevin, we have a Trevin dust. Ewo siaragari as a chingoko chiababuya. So that will be the list of your worries. Come, and the beauty is go on the we are human beings. Watch with a conclusive answer nga nchenka ite no bororo bunchandete. But there is a root cause. We start from there.
Mbiyamana sana kwirana atore asi ore kurine nabo ekero ntaragenda asi omore miogo oranyare gukwanira nga amagacha ega nkayare kusenga imoto kaso mucho Bosongo opposite KTRH. Yes, opposite KTRH, the wall just right
blood
there.
Bank.
Yeah, blood bank gari opposite. Bosongo na inde eduke
ngakiama gachakuruko
yakuruko Josmo distributors. Then in Kisii tobwate 2 branches. Opposite Post Bank, directly opposite Post Bank. Tobwate another okoragari kuna kibao kubwa imeandikwa Josmo distributors 1. Yes.
Mbiyamana sana ndochenga lero nole no murimi o kabisa aiga ase studio naba atebanga baka akoro burimi kiagera bagusi mbasi gitenda Mr. Fred.
Naam.
Ni uburimi obo ngeko korema ose ningeko gutuga
nkurema ndi kibando muno singencho ninganje tobokima ndinkora ngaboko ngachinguru kenda buga ande ningobo etenjara
chibando chingoko
na chiro cyo nintugete nkego singencho ngigenete ngakomogeni atari nenkoko komonyanyera nabo igo chiombe nimbwatenke echinkonya konyora amabere nage samake kabeira mangi naoneria abantu bang'ebesa nanyore school fees na inche nanyora yanko nakuria
mbiyamana sana kero togochaka naye bono tokurigiria inaki watokore na Nyanchama igasi studio
Nyanchama
ngikiagira wachanere utacha gusekero kene na mundone
Nyanchama nero gonkonya ari ongeire advice nyinga soburimi obwane kinachira ariga mbwa tobokongu Nyanchama kinamuburi yagontebereri buya elinde liyo nyari kogeraga in commenta ligesa liane nabo igetuwe yana yanyari kobage comment kana nabo igo nanyoriro morembe nona asinka yane singinja abantu bane go bayigotete
umugondo uyu gwateme kionga nase bono gokorera uburimi bwao
umugondo mbwate turi monene naburange chieka isato
no nyare gukwanira category ebimeri biri obwate ase umugondo ugo kusimukore chingeni mbole mikio bogo korota tiga una wateba chibando nimanyite ngagusiega muntu tagusimeka bando chioka
tokuri bokimabuka butari nyeni chigeni nchironke litoke nimbegeteike nabo igo nebimeri binde mbiro bike no musi nabo gutokoro
igo gukora mixed farming nande tokurire bono egati yebimeri biga nchira kiko bisimeka nchira riege koro goserero kerente kere digitalized
kare na gasimekire ngenjende yonsi linde narabu ata imbusureri bakarukimura goli na ineka na simeka lakini nga kero najigweta alichosemo ngo chikobogera iga nkobori nkonyora Nyanchama nkaribisha buya komotebia nga obakongumbu ate akangeresa nembusuro ndabe ngotumia korwa bundo chenga obotaka bwa jage tiko kyaneri gesaliana likabari nyinge kulingana na maeresa ngete
egati ebimeri biri kwabire gokonyora kurwa seduke nga kibya biri bigokoria
ebimeri nabeire nkonyora kurwa seduke
bune bya kemeri kimete kie kwa rusiria se eduke yega ndi kwabere ko gusimika na ndi nakiriga sa kwaroreri gonchoreria
mono ebituma narabere nkuichimbusuru kuruoro yanja monte ebichimbusuru ikwabekireye gokonyoate collective ya onte bimbekeye nabo igo nubuye kiwango gekubeku na spacing iso mugondo tunarite gwake ebikamago amwamo ngana litura gesari nyingi lakini yere nante bet spacing yerengia boigo nubuye kiwango muntu okubeka nabeire nkonyora ligesari giya gweteresa maeleza ayo na masoma yabeire ga content mbali boro gotebere bari umuntu gwiikire counter they take their time bakweresa buya rinde libakwelekeza nkyo gokora kwamanya chikonyora yields chire igoro
ekiagera bono aina kwabere gokonyora marioga yaiga una bonekero konyoreke mbonyo giasoira ase umugondo giasoire giakunire nonye chingende chao na kyo gocha wakora ese mwancho umurigirikira kene na kyo kubeka nonye riogeriga
mono kero buna bono chingende chiane nora neri kuneni riege sare na begetari kereke monyo kia songire toro neri kana gunkubeka ndegake ekero na ruchinge kuna ndege kwambukira kuchisimegeta ngega na bakonyangi aura ya soira guchiari igona nyora te chiachakire kuringa kamatu ubuwa bukandinga ande ne chinye ningo chikogora nkaminyoka chosemo na njama kangeresa actually babwate faraya tia mariogo inche mono kinanyorire tindi nyo kila muriogo ngandiririe igo nkoimuka na yerdari ntanyorete nyanjama abantu bali chosemo na baya banga maelezo na nyara ko egwiriogo nagenda nasiara imechando yaera
ase bono mugondo yo iga ogo watangana burange chieka isato kero kuri bune bituma kero wasimekire na kiriga salia ori gocha
liga salia ne mono narete bituma ngosimeka chieka ibere igo nkogesa guchakira chikiro chibagi 25 pake 35 kulingana ne season ndiroro kuranyora ngimbura njanyure twe bakongumbu abete bwari anga bwa kawaida lakini liga salianse kabisa naga sire ne chigunie 25 aseka
biya sana nto kurigereria amatuka bwango iga konyora ebituma nkuikabire kwanyora chibande chiga chia biri bune chikomera mugondo gose chiagunda kwanyora useriri chachakire kobereka chiasareka ayetoranyora muchando yiga
omuchando oyo mo especially uri koba bituma bigosareka ndiribya kongire kwa makonyora nga embura yabeire nyingi lakini kulingana na maereso no kuburia nga ngakiyembure nyingi nkikega ne yokoru nyanchama batotebiri kuruchosemo nga mbusuru ga ne irigo tumeka eye gukumeka buya rinde liyembura teko nyara gasoa imitimsuru nchiro type chinde eko igoro kiya kongire amacha nyara gasoa sali bituma lakini nchiro chigukumeka amacha atali go sali bituma so nimbu ata device yeyo nabo igoncha asara telikonyora na kekora nabali bibande ngo batenga minyoka chosemo otebigumbusuru kiya ngakiki ngakiyembure nyinge mbusuru ga ne irigo tumeka nande kwa mabuya nande tanyo itareta asara
tukure buna chingende na chirocho rero bantu mbabwati timete usikwanya gusimeka no nyobori obori asie mugondo go rero kurigere abantu abange usimbari gusimeka obori na chingende nchiri ko kolivia ebiasi byonse biro byo gwatemire
obori nari gusimeka ngaki yakare lakini currently tindi gusimeka lakini sabantu bali bamintu bandu bagusimeka buna guchimasaba kibachire chosemo na bagotegwe mbusulengiya negintu bagane iri gukora ngakiki ase
enka yawo ngaye gutokese ngenchokero kuriye buna ange na igase anene mone county ya Kisii konyora nga chinse monjiri chinyingerero bantu bali gusimeka obori mbwa kabira amatuka lakini rero mboyo anyore byasi nkoba byale rero mbere koba kiabere ose kero kene ebintu bya change ayo mugondo go ngai uratoke koyo bigete
mbiya mono moralia megondo manyeterero nabo kuguru mugondo ande gatikabira isuro monene gucaga tauni abali bamenye torore migonde remeke eje bono yachire commercial gotukwagacha nabo igo twamenya twagirigia sigochie se ari arake twasimika soko nyore ndagira tokoreta tauni twacha koni na kuria
nande no bwata
amatoke ni nsimegete bitenga bike ebinkoria nande kabeira mange na bonko koenana
manyo mancho morigerenga amatoke ngubikirwa robuoyo kusaye mbuoyo kyo gutumia no bwechingo ko chiombe gusene duko kwanda kwa robuoyo gwasimikira litoke
karo muraligo na kabekira amatoke ubuoyo bwe ng'ombe lakini nande nkanyora ubuyo bwe ng'ombe bubwate process goikobuomie obubeko mugaso bugocogania mache bono bubwate process ntambe nande mburi gokoribu ya mono sengenju yeriro bari arosire eke bitenga buna yacha yekegeni ena chiete chosemo nkaburi kanywa chimbusuro nchiro chiachite chia matoke. I was advised nkagenda nkagura ngasimeka nande ngatebunga twakabikire bake libaga chi emiosi necheso orro ijigo salia matoke twakabikire libu lakini karona chiete chosemo I was advised kinga ne iriko beke segatere kinga ne iriko siarira litoke liane ngakikinga kinkolichera nilitoke ngakororire paka family ngotiga matoka soka manga arengaine igago chikoberekera limo igobona aruanire nutrients kirichiari kurwese liro ba emechande toke bono gutirimu ari arengaine igagotoka na arenga ndatatu kwa rusi elimo atigarabire gusikwa rusi abire liatigare elimo liaganya lirinde ligocha gutira kakare amanye koba akoe matoka manene na liga salire igo
amatoke ngokorwa family au no gwakebekire byana oigo MSc nkiranyara gukwanira
MSc tindi muremi MSc mono lakini ese family goikobeke bitenga bibere bitatu binega unono mogeni yago churi gusaba abantu bawo bakuri nero nimbegete bitenga bike chimu kongo tusumbua chire se MSc na chire common ese chimu keji ekarona abegete ne chinsi yaganchi arengo chinsi yagane MSc bibweka in almost emechando yari konyora ne yechingu ko every time na beke bitenga bibere bitatu 10 yasoa yaite ko nya kogenda kwenda giyarire ke yashike
ngware kuchitegege koro
agotega kuri echi mall trap chiri nchiroro ni nyebundise to singenchonje no mulemi nchiro to korosi gane gechanga lakini chiri nchiri efficient eliyogo ndiro rocho semu ikwa gwachire nyanchama bagotebiri ari okobeka iga ayekwa ruoro
na kirioge riko bekwa
eliogeri mono ndiroro ali saying keria ya busiri na bogo seraiga kwali bekoro enke kego eta kuri bege tukabeka ne mosioria gosene bunyansi boke ego chero no kwembura gosekiria tiokirega nuke iyo bogo bomenyo bwaye boko boko
ase oboremi bwago nchira kyo gotema ko ene kinga kwa koriro gwonchoreria singenchonyo koko simeke bituma ase chie kaibere to gonte binga kere season no ko simeka chibando ndote base myaka 5 meteriro bango ikalire riano tango te more mangana ya crop rotation
ebitume bicheke chiana isatombu ate tindigo simeka kira chieke chibere tindigo simeka ororioka kinasimegete chiribere chia ruguru next ingo ta kuira ne ya mate ndusi chinge ni oronchira ni ya ruguru elinde elio ya mate tabwate bituma kinasimekira oroko nyoranga obuansu vilutubishi yani togo teba nutrients chirichire mate ruguru chiarire mate abono nchiro yagenda bituma ande byaba buya sometimes paka none marabwani nabokobeka atubaliro baliri yaratoba kugocha kuira ni bituma orobone bituma bige sali ko baligi bituma konyora biri chinguru kabisa linde bakabyabera kabibe kento kiyogo kumi ko bege to buyo buya
na gukwanira magana buna bona yetugo yechingoko obororo mbachande tabantu kwarigire no nyechiombe kiro bwate skin disease ngochanda chiri na chiro chiombe sana ngi watemire gukora gusema lyo kyaya kwatemira ekotumia konyora amachibwara maya
tigango tebyo muraria chingoko ne chingiya lakini obororo bosoe okonyore ngai paka no na
yeso mnyete
na ora nae kogo so rokora magoso so boko gendere gasoire nyumba boko genda baka no ne so kuraro so no bedroom kwanganyire nyumba yi linde bwa nsumbuete sana ngai bwa siara libu wakora ichigotema lakini ubo maene bwa mangana mbolinga ekerona aitana nete konya koligi eliogo ngandiririe lichingo ko chikwe yagi chiasunyo kabono chigo paka na maisa mukabwa siekana ekerona achiete nkabori eliogo chosemo mbankonyete bangete eliogo likurukugo se dudu dust ya shaving ngachanga siara buna bangeresete ngasiarira chingo ko chiriyo ko remererio soro naye kwanza nayo kuri siarira chianga chiriyo kubeka chi overall chiri gose dust coat yokobeka omanye gosoro ubwate chingoko ekyo siarire nyumba omanye ko imuko ubwate ngoke yeme moye siarire chimba bagaiga within ave ne nyumba eri nero wikoje siarire yonsi engima chinya siga goeta nese korekano ekyo bukenganu bure korwabu bororo mboire timatukata tunabona nyore to morembe ne chingoko chiane nkaranga na ande stress ya chike chachakiri kuragira
no bwate bichuchu ego ngutwarure bichuchu ekirase ekero no manyitenge bichuchu ebinge ngukubira obokendo igagusi na kibiro bimogotema kubirera useko birenda baka byaba chingoko chinene
ebichuchu chingaki chinyinge ntura advice chitayanchiro kubekere ebichuchu nyora tubwati chitaye chiobune chiestima naende nabo kubeka noena amakara kinya sara open atiga nandabere ere tigete gocha iguru insali birari ko bana ventilation yoni swene isaine so that inchichiko nyora embeo yani chi ngakichinkong chioko yana
abo se bichuchu omete abange mbare bari getigo chako bore mibwechingo ko kirogere munae bichuchu ngi omuntu wa uche bori gasi yechitaya chiri nereri
egasi yechitaya chiri no gokonye bichuchu tibinyoro ubukendu sengenjo nebikebire na ibichuchu ebitogo tuwo konyoranga byabeire binge chingoko chinarite kuma mere bichuchu byabo cyabisa chimbaba cyabo ime chimbaba ngoko tikonyara gwa kumudete bichuchu byonspi so goikobeke chitaya chiri to ensure nga there is warmth ese bichuchu ebyo binyare ko nyora liberera ubukendu mbobita
abo igo gosunduka nabo kwanira mariyo nari okonyora bichuchu bikoego ekero buna chinga kicho chobokendo kose amariyo naro konyora biko buno mwana ko ironya ko ebuchanjo ebichuchu na biro binkorendu bire na mariyo ga mangi sana no nyari ko yakwanira se chitegeka ibe
yes amariyo go actually akoba mangi amariyo naro bakati vaccine nchiro rogo tonyori ebichuchu eskimioro chiri within a given period of time amariyo naro ro ali antibiotic ikoegu in time chingoko chibwato burendia bore raisi ekero bwata mariyo gosikero go consult experts every time so kero tugeta mariyo kogenda kwa boringa bichuchu byana byakurira amatuko getendiyo go kinko bya tusemo no bari akoererie byo bichuchu byana byarorekane bigo sundo kandi yo kinko bya tusemo no bari bakoererie so they have assisted so much mariyo garo tingo nyara go explain because I'm not an expert cheno bo waiting ko rigere limboro byo na minyoko bankonye
mbiyo muno sana otigali swali rindira ndenda twari gochasore umusando konye gutwara ubwo babo umusando bw'echingoko
umusando muno ugasumbuira abantu chinga kichiri chiakare ekero chia grofet chitaraba bono iga umusando liriyo ng'emechando yabeire nkeringa ngwa sensitive time gositori kini koligere chingoko chiawo kore kini kona koligere chingoko chikoroto every time ichitagete umuremi kwanya gweta go chirigereri buna kwabuka kwarigereri koko buta chinsa ibere isatu kwarigereri so the moment yo korigereri gokoranga chingoko chiatwalire simbo tamugete minyoka chose mukonyu eliyo kulingana na amaeresa au kirikwaro chingoko na kigeo konya chingoko echi imechande irikwaro setugo yawo nerego konye tugeje
embe abona sana elinderio mwere korwase etugo buna bono chiombe chiombe konyorore nga chiombe nchiroro rero chukonya chire mugeta umugongo konyore ngombe konya gusunduka chiombe ngokorora chire ikyo nakyo ibintu bindo konyora abantu batamanyiti kero bingira nyare gukwanira nakichikorendo cyaba cyatwara afyengia
mbe yamono muraria engombe igengo umuntu engombe none kero mwabutire nero mwaranaranire enkorang komo chikobanga nebwate communication ya kisiri na bego korangeri so konya ko kuigo ngombe yanire kabiri gatatu igo nebwate mechando gitine kuganeti ya kurangi ukorore ngombe telikori ngangura ekona guburigereri igo nebwate mechando so eso burwaire obo buna bono kere ngombe yachakire burwaire bwayirire bwengosi toliko yesibia na ryogo ukura agenda gwa consult experts that is why tusemo njengo na kubasabira ngambuye gukiba kitange ga bari busunga uko minyoketa gikayiga there are so many attendants bago tebinki uga niryo kandi abo experts tubugata abo bolemi unobwe tugo tubugata abo bolemi bibe bimeri yani abantu baroro bechinge njo chonsi so bolemiyo bona yabuna gwa ikoro nyanjamera ko gotengabu nche tigankurangereria expert yo sekaine marwaire yewe tugo mangane ngosi agotebinkie kikwamwere sabune ng'ombe sikwa mwagira chiminchi aje chingi kwake bicho kwa muteng'ombe anna bekorekana iga origereri ogotebinga aeri ogoriganiri riogogete uraganie ng'ombe ye yaganirie sindani nobwate muntu onde munyagitari onde gositoko umunyagitari na bawo ko umunyagitari ukobetere ng'ombe sindani bururi bw'engosi bwaye
mbiyabona sana tukwire na sore enyanchama nkocho muri mwana nambo ibintu buna animal feeds amangana hega yichindagira chie nyara gukwanira chindagira chiga chie chingoko chindagira chie tugo
ntubwate chindagira chie chingoko tubwate chindagira chia etugo ntubwate chindagira nowadays abantu bachakire ku accept okutwara pigs
chingurwe
ye chingurwe ntubwate chindagira tukwanire igori ye chingoko chingoko ekero gochagari utaitendagira unateba it is okobori ngani mbwate broilers for example na kingo chiragere chingoko chinke to just mention tubwate chicken duckling cramps tubwate chick mash as you move the steps higher tubwate growers mash tukatwara layers tukatwara finisher pellet kulingana na keri utagete wachi bukurwas chingoko mbalo bari bago tuga chingoko ultimately bataite go chioni for meat broilers chichikonyenyo bataite magena will guide you through the entire process nkibwante go chia so that within a period of time chinya kuragira throughout chiko results bari babwate layers for example ntobwate a whole program the beauty is whatever ntobwate professionals whatever what do you want to achieve in what time ngantenta ite ultimately ntwara magena feeds inchiro totako echia magena eko kwanya kora chingo ko ni muzito no enerige na you cannot get out of it because endagera yon spi ya concentrate ya sokorosi mobiro so we'll guide you through you want to achieve this this is the program the quantity actually we measure even we tell you per bird uchibente chiri a quantity this quantity of grams so that to west endagera umetintu tuanarire ngago okobeke chenge you do not care tumanye tinga enere isaine ngoko because ekeroko nya the right formulation definitely results nchire expected kuno oriende tege tuma mugondo engoko is also the same way ya sechiombe ntobwate also different feeds ntobwate dairy meal ntobwate ngere toko chaka timori
yes
ase timori abantu mbaroba ekero for example unfortunately the cow succumbs maybe to ekero me calf down ntobwate we start from that stage of milk replacers unatoko mwana nan pero the mother does not produce enough milk ase ngombe bado ntobwate nan
semori tabwate sekonga
yes ntobwate toko chiruka milk replacers that is where we start from twaenda emori bono ya manyire kuruma kukula we have calf pellets for the then we have heifers ngirokorwa se calf kwenda se heifers we have that matururu we have a good feed for them heifer grow is an example tuacha bono you want ngombe yao ya unataka iganie mbegu we'll give you chumvi for that one example is joto the general name is joto so different companies in Chibwate how they brand them but it is a joto chumvi you want to bwate engombe nega netia mabere nga imepunguza kidogo we advise you endagero konya can you add this can you subtract this yes una chinsi agachimbe sentu akana yes kindly prepare if you want results you have to prepare kindly kusena kieko if you're going to school na ndo taitoita matem you have to read nene ngombe na berego if you want milk nipatie chakula mzuri yes we guide you through because however much natoteva nga times are hard times are not really hard the question is how well are we utilizing the resources we have kwa gori rechenge nkego what can I supplement with it starts slowly so be rest assured nga ekero na ko ire chumbi singo kwa rende ndagera ya dairy feed chao onyore dairy meal abantu mbaro banchite pellets ile zinaka chinga pellets very very fine kuna ngombe ambao wanapenda hiyo tubwate chichumbi chichokomena unaba gusi we love them it's a block ukonye sungira gari ekere ng'ombe relaxed yanyore snack echumbi nero tubwate chichumbi cha mabere tubwate chichumbi bari babwate bulls for example anataka echumbi ng'ombe mzuri
eri ebe enoru.
Yes, we have stock licks for them. Tunazitanga general some was zinaitwa nyama. So you'll find in terms of feeds very well sorted, in terms of supplements very well sorted.
Ngwanyara gukwanira nga chinsi akachingendo gabo. Ninki chinsi akachingendo chavere chimbe.
Ekero kwa rusiri chinsi agakora umugondo. Gera chinsi akanchibwata amachari kwa eng'ombe. Na kwa kawaida togoteba eng'ombe amachari yakonyu will give you milk. Yes. Now the quality of milk is dependent on supplements and feeds. Ekero kwa rusiri chinsi yaga mugondo for example kwa umekatakata ukazipatia. Will there be intake of milk kweli of water? Chinsi yaga njabwata amache. I'll give you an example. If you take uji erongori. Can you take water? Difficult. Yes, it is the same thing. It has a lot of water in it. Wono amachari na kike muntawo te ngaro nkurageria nde ng'ombe yane kwa wire chinsi yaga lakini haina maziwa. That is one of the reasons you will not get milk. It is not every other reason. But one of the reasons that is common neringa na nimeipatia chinsi yaga the stomach is full. The water content as chinsi yaga chiri was high. So why do I need water? So if a vet or an animal scientist if they were to talk here today about the drier the feeds, the more the water uptake. The water will convert to that milk. But there are other things that will also add as a for it to be quality milk. So for the quality, for us quantity is not what we are for. Quality. Yes.
Mbiye mana sana tukirana ndase omoremia ekero kurigire aye wate bano wate chiombe ne chia mabere gose ne chiokoni chia chikorosie nyama
chiombe ya ne chia mabere
aye na mabere wate wanchite na ne chingoko na magena ugo tuke gose ne chingoko tagete chaba chininge kwaoni
no ntagita magena nko chire chia magena mono ne chia magena vitwani nuko nako vuga abutu sengencho yoko nginyori chingaki
nabuiga se chingo ko chawo krokuri aene kenyeji osime okorera ose nechiga chekerero
nche mono na nyoretenga chingo ko chie grade ligo liriaye ndire igorake gontu gete chie kienyeji ne kienyeji chire ligo linse lakini lige na liaye liligori yono nari kurigiririe faida
mbiye muno sana turagenda se mutumo kamoke irinde tukoira na se gikeheke tunyare kugenderere korende tutaragenda se mutumo ko nabo kunyara gusanga enamba eyo ya Josemo
enamba ya Josemo ere 0791 444 734 eyende tobwate ibere na butanyoro umokweria seyemo another one tobwatere 0791 444 732
Biamana sana ndo chenga otiso morata goteba babu korwa bobasi nyamati nyangande ere ruitumbe salimia aligitebu na salimia daktari tuko pamoja hadi mwisho. Alex Mautia kwa Maroki si county na Roda Ruth no bale ime yo maroveri asia mutumo kama keri ndi tunyara kwirana tukendera kurigiria semu yo bole anene mono wetira asi kampani yega ya Josemo Distributors Limited.
Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Getemba Television ekeonga kya Mwamogusi. HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nagokwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigoba kubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure, arthritis, cancer, chinyigo, imichando yichinguru chabagaka, ubugomba, gati yayande amange.
Incheno manyagitari clinic Maobanyi, omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega yugo muchito bosongo. Nainde ni gonta getoko bari gani mono sana no kubatebinga ni goto go services chekerero to gotumia obobwenia bwekerero technology yo kurigererio mubero omugima nainde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero gutwara umuchanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yetu ni gotunya rusiti ase chinse chesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse buna bono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande ni goto kurusia sense ya Malaysia ayande nkurustura sense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusia sense ya California, Los Angeles, California in USA. Mario gande na leto kurusia somo chio India na ayande ni goto kunyarusia sense ya South Africa. Ayana ara Mario ga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011. Twabere to kubweni abantu abange na ande ni gare habo tabu atieni side effect yara kolentere kiagera na ayemete Igo karibu sana senye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center.
Nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383. HK International Medical Center. Inchuo onyole obugwenia.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Enokem Agrovet Limited ni gomono ba ukwarigania ayumureme chinga chili simeka ochebwenyorere obuyo ne chimbusuru chingia byonse asamugoriya maya kegema ni goba gotoka asongochi obosongo ensema ya Falcon mbarabare ne petrol station ya Shell gusa orosegeru wabo orunene kegema dore jogo angene skuru ijoboroso ya jogo primary bakirasi miase namba 0113-388-513 Kusem 0115-318-887 Kusem 040-186-688 Kimya igeseriao asokugura ubuyo ni chimbusuru chingikiranu kurwa Enokem Agrovet Limited.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Much better when compared to the male students.
My name is Jacinta Auma Aita.
To work outside the world, models when it comes to practical aspects. So kindly bring the ladies to school so that you can give them this knowledge we have and they can be able to support us. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka Technical Training Institute. We have the intake in January, and we are requesting all the ladies outside there, despite the age, despite the ethnicity you are coming from, we have equal opportunities at Keroka. Huwa tunachukua wanafunzi wote. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
This new year, discover something new every day on your StarTimes decoder. Buy an aerial decoder plus 1 month free classic bouquet subscription to enjoy the magic of African stories on ST Swahili, AMC Movies, and ST Nollywood. Tales of adventure that take you far on Bliss TV, ST Kung Fu, Z Cinema, and Nat Geo. Or a dish decoder plus 1 month free super bouquet subscription to watch heartwarming dramas that bring you closer.
Do you want to be my wife?
Yes, David. I want to marry you.
Exciting kids shows to keep the little ones entertained.
You got it, dude.
Experience the thrill of live sports on La Liga and Bundesliga. For every mood, for every moment. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Getemba Television ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
Nabatebi nambasira kitoronigizi ekotuka nza mochibu gembo nsa stage yechi bigibigi nsa ajonyo kotate speaker na ne kabisa live and direct onyo kotate ufa sisi mimbu yeto ayege ntoko koraneke okochankoro kitobese kubanga kokungaina tikankoro chitibi no chiriga etibi urwambara etibiri jambi ebetrio kutumia nyomba kwa raza kura duniani ebetrio kukeria gari yao majiji betri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ali ga kurukwiga sikuka okutura tulijimeno kako mukima boko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri onyange jonzibi neji ufa nambazi
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chispika abone chi microphone chi horn speaker chi power mixer chi keyboard chi blender chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima chi water dispenser chi radio ao mpaka chirie chigali chi TV chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi amo na electronics bionse pibuna chi wire chi extension cables nebintu binde ebinge akeroteri kweba chi solar panels tarere imeyomo chibu gembo stage gorigoro oseo kesimi asa 0729 646 385
aiga no numbers ba customer baitu bonse asimole na baliganiri kerege nto tobwate na netobwate bintu bichi quality chigoro chingia kabisa
chaso wenge na nyora kane tigaminyo kanyomba
Numbers Electronics aiga ntobwate kerege nto aserigori dio mubuko o
Getemba Television ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamurama chikuya mandege uzitosomya bamurama chikuya mandege.
Mwancho mwaregererea nekero tugenderete kurigererea amang'ana yoboremi gose bintu kibiri bibonete gukorwa sense meri yoboremi kwane kinga amatokyo agose rigesa rio moremi ria nyarire kuba rire eriengencho bono ekero tore na bagene aiga korwa ase company eri ya Josemo Distributors aba ukwanira nintoki bakwanana na boigo mariogoki mbusurukie chiga babwate na boigo ninki bagokora kwene kinga omoremi ekera wikaroro onyarire kwegokia na biri byonsi bakonyara gusanga nere to gukorera nyanchaba asikero tugukora mangana bona bono aye riroba ria gusi nkero tukurigiria ebintu bingi ebimerimbire bitari ko baroro lakini nandingise gocha kero kenda se eduka yaino nabo nko binyora kira kimu kunyara gusembia abantu kero kunyara bona nonye ebintu bona obori oboiga abantu batagete kugura gusene musoro lakini babonyora no bole eduka otatiga sky gambiri koba ndubwate ebintu bona bono kunyara bona amananasi ebintu mbira bona chipilipili hoho konyora nchire eduka lakini gokoenda gusumeka abantu abange nchire gokoribia na kimocho mwanyara gokonya balimeo
gento ndatebe Josemo we pride ourselves as a kororanga kuna whatever totebe onyempilipili hoho watemre gusimeka teraba taringe angete gento ngero togoteba ase Kiswahili or English climate change tabia nchi ya change
gonchoreria kwerire
bono onye we are keeping ourselves up to date ndo bwate bono chi smartphone tore kurwa se Siemens chereche nkoro so it means na into wente ko update climate ngo change one thing it to ensuring however much you have the knowledge nga nonyore una pilipili honto bwate hybrid seeds hybrid iwongo tebaiga nga they are tolerant amarwaira achire some of which are very unavoidable esengencho ya climate change tuenyorega naenda sengencho ya ogotumeko kobe toteba mariogo ogotumeko kobe kwe toteba obuyo tuatwarire change eringa if we cannot go back remedying will not take 1 year lakini ngo kwa to resolutions chiri hybrid seeds ntobwate for example ekero kwa negoro chinyanya bantu karengo simeka tu arenge chinyanya the cherry tomatoes kiare ko babuya chiritinke there was no problem. What happened? Etu anyorete bintebi tukabitumike sengincha abandi barako bitumeka lakini bone kera ugo cha story nko gote bitore onye ko gochigo simeke kega digere ringa advice ya ronero nko gote binenge gwasimegete previous crop ngo ko ire history na yora tebe muremi onye gwasimegete ngoko eke toteberi ogeri ngoko yagosene chinteterechi ko gochigo simeka na yora nyoreri gesa. It is very bad wachire kwangire hybrid seeds they are slightly costly sengenje ya tolerance research ya koru na rira ire abaseriro bari itu nkoe no eneche nyanya that 1 gram nkoe totebe at 200 shillings for example wendo simeke tonyora kende that is a loss wono igen to ensure ebi meri biri taringa mbiri komera another thing tutari koregerere nenkeringa tuwairo mochanga one type of fertilizer ndota iti kumanya ngito ku mochanga ngobo yae wogo chigukomera you've used it for so long to the point inga diro bari yangire yarosire remedies are always there. As we talked about fertilizer tinkwa ndeti gorige ntoke ku lime lime is a rectifier yo mochanga pole pole eko punguza acidity ekero go chagari ndu kwanda kerege senga tukwanire kerege ntokere josemo I think morange a whole week 24 hours a day. That is how much we have the products, quality products that will ensure nga kero muremi based on your need na koire egento kerago konye. We will take care of your soil. Knowledge is power. Na whatever the knowledge I have kinkonye twara njebwe katego nkonya. That is why Toregari as a distributor not only we are not only distributing the products. When showing a product yengo kwa, will you be a return customer? That is our policy. Na koire oirane aso beyonte winkwa ngeteri ogeri yankonyere. So advice, do not even be worried. Naki ntu abachi namba chasing. We are a phone call away. Na wora aso koro ondigeret koru could be courier for example. If you are in courier and you want my product, you do not understand nkyota itukubeka magondo. Call me. Call Josemo distributors. We are a phone call away. And whatever merimbiro vitari kokora, but we used to plant them. In fact, we are it was not even planted very well.
And we kwa meri magondo
very well. We are kwa meri actually.
And we are baby.
But
lakini lero biko gunda vitara bibi nene.
Yes. No utaka bisimeka. It is because we have the product. We know it can be used here. But is that the right time? Positioning of what you want to use at a particular time. Well, do not get worried nobody. Go body cover. When you're with us, we'll walk with you through the journey from ukore mamogondo to what they have beside. All through.
Nene ekero tikana kubutora ekero okonyoranga omuremi oyo kero kendo chire okorire otemire gukora bionsi goseno advice eri mwaire bintu biri mbicheti ko faulu ekera irane gochase eduka yeno ninki inchiranere moko nya gose moko morigeri option yende.
Yeah, what I'll say again to okora kwa irire totebe gosimekari bituma oirire namba fulani unarigereti umaite umorebi we are very keen egetuma no mwana the difference is not that it's only that it's a crop and this is a human being na bokorora as we moving forward to make ya I'm sure ndanyore the yield is very small.
Yes.
Well, again tokora tebi moremi is when you notice the smallest change kindly ntota itito iko moelionga you come out with one bag. One bag now in the market goes for around 4,000. You spend
what to make it
over 50,000 or 100,000. That is a loss. Ikitari again to okay. That will be a failure also, maybe on your part and on our part. Before we get to the point of now, we give solutions at a go. Etoko enshuanga ekeroro chengo umuchando nore mugondo. The beauty is we liaise with the different other companies that also supply us. it is a phone call away. Matilda, kuna mkulima fulani ako mahali fulani, unaweza ona mind yake yako vipi? Kindly. Yes. So do not be worrying and we do not believe in something not working. To tell you, Josema has been in this industry for 30 years.
Yes.
Can you imagine if one farmer loses out of that? It is ni uchungu sana. Yes.
Mbuya mana sana tukira na ndia ase umurimi tuko nateme gukwanira amangana buna ayega ya chemicals tutaragenda sale kiro ti chemicals cia bere cigotumika na nitumanyite nganjiri ko ciaba cingi ase riroba with the time gose kiro cia bere overused njira kimo advice umurimi kiragenda tutumia marioga yega ase umugondo we marioga yatanyara kuingira ebemeri gosaso ya se cindagira nabo igasaririroba.
With the chemicals, it is very delicate across the board. Never it is pharmaceuticals, never say agriculture. Again, to talk about to also be safe. Safety starts with you. Kere riogo, ndibuate, he'll attest. Ndibuate, ekero tutebe kwasia riogo fulani. Tubuate again to get post harvest, pre-harvest interval. Sorry. Matuka tatu, touring enieji for example. We will tell you that for free. Ngeri ogeri asa matukata to kindly toru singe ni mugondo.
Nkero kwaji siari.
Yes. Goseri ogeri to nyuma bere ekero kwadi womirie ngombe for maybe 24 hours. Tori magenari for maybe 24 hours. That one we will tell you. And amariogo to bwate, the beauty is amariogo to koreta. We always ensure amariogo ari first, that has to be certified. It is safe for consumption. It is safe for use. So, Roundup. Going to the Roundup, safety. When you use Roundup, for example, when it gets to the soil, it disintegrates. So, effect we have. I'll tell you freely. When an agronomist also, and I serve at Josemo. However much we will tell you use this fertilizer, you are remedying your soil, it has affected. Hiyo tunakubali. We'll always tell you, also on the side, even tombiro tokoro biologicals, which do not have an effect. And beautifully enough, we have biological insecticides and pesticides. You will get them. I'll give you a very good example. It is an insecticide. It is actually an extract of garlic. He'll tell you, garlic go save it and then you spray. Yes. Now we have that with us. We'll tell you, do not overuse the synthetics. Kindly mix with this biologicals. Into what even bananas, we have a lot of bananas. People are moving into banana farming. We have one whole pack called banana pack. It is a biological component. Mbolea, a foliary. We didn't talk about that, but we have foliars. Mbolea maji. You mix with water and then you spray it on the crop.
Yes.
Yes. So we have, I'll give you an example. Those biologicals, we advise on use of that. However much you're using synthetics, ile ambazo ni chemicals, zile ambazo tulikuwa tunasoma shuleni, we have these extracts that we have. And Josemo will pride. Togote wa proud linga, ntochibuate. Yes, you feel and you think you have overused synthetics. Usijali eti mchanga wako unaharibika. We'll give you that solution.
Ndio maana sana gwatembire kwene kinga use ngote momore gwa advice ya barimi batumie organic fertilizer.
Yes. Na inde ntubwate actually one that is packed in a bag. Yes.
Mochibwate chire bag.
Yes. It is organic, bari wako and organic farming fully. We have that.
Echiga chiko tokase dukanga ichikoro.
Chikoro, they are made by companies. Chi company hata wao wameangalia kwamba asenga kientambe tuwabaira a lot of synthetics. Bari abantu bari bataite kugenda organic 100%. I give you an example of there is one called patent kali. Tuko nayo. Hiyo unachanganya tu kwa mchanga wako and then if you're going fully organic farming, we have one. And then Yara also has one.
Na bubo chibwa tioka. Obo yo muremo kuborwa seduka. Bukuru organic. Otike obo iga chega chabo chibwate phosphorus chabo NPK. Uboyo mbole bugotioka sana. Bokoro organic timaitinga ingige korosio uboyo.
Uboyo normally organics is okonyora mostly it is extracts from our environment. It is plants. It is tunaita nini, you see kero kwenda the what we have from the butcheries, for example, that is very much organic. It is degradable quickly. So it is all of that that makes organic fertilizers. Same way, if we make it also at home, it is the same way. This one is packed for us so that it is ready for use. Another time, it is also very tedious to have to make your own organic fertilizer. Compost manure go onchora ogosomba kori kwanza, then ogo onchora kori in the holes and all of that. So this is a solution that has been brought to us.
Mbia muna sana tuku kwa na nere Fred no nyare kusanga kero gine ngwanya ko wabwanga amalio ga yega kero watumire muno kwa rori riro bali auri achakire bonjuka gusiri asiri obotoko
riro bangu siri robotoko
Nchira kiogo tema gukora kwene kibuna turatumia obuoyo mono gose chemicals chigutumika se migondo turachitumika mono unkote more ko limit
umurari riro bangu rosalire na bengi bunaye obe gokuria bukimario kario kutari gochoka nikende goiko balance diet ekero riro beriria achakire kogoyana nkorori ngakibono nasimeke kwirinde nimbe gitubuyo buya lakini ndirakori this is where tukoira na twachigo consult Josemu experts baroro batokonyanga bono guikiraga iga na ndi guika o change ubuyo bugwatumikire guchi ubuyo gete sometimes nabo konyoranga nkogote ibarenga nubwate ngencho umuntu nari ga expert uri busa muminyoke ko marigiriri no enkwao they also over that kero uri willing na oba ko umuntu an expert ogenda urigiriri because you are their customer bago konya na baraube konya singinjo ni biashara bali na ino tagite ko kore biashara onyore yields chingia so kero riro bali arosire ngo to advice bali muna bono ekero na ari gutumika DAP rioka sinaro bayigite bagantenga karatumika NPK ndinga jigutumika konyora na ndiriro bali anurire ndiga sali kawaiko
mbia muno sana nekero ugusiara gusera mario gaya ikero gendetire mirimo ya wasi umugondo sasinka yawo no nyare ukwana no nyenchira okwebo gusena gwitanga kurwasi obubi boli boguchana mario gaya singenja mario gari konyorore nara kore tumuchano obwe risangu nara urachiko kongusemberi onyore gwatwarire muchande sige kuba nchira kibanyara gwe protect
mbia muno murari chi dust coat inchiro chigotumika chio baronchiro chigotumika chibuti inchiro chigotumika ne chi mask inchiro chigotumika ne chigobi kogo siare riogo rigocha bube yanyore mask nero yaritanga ri umubere no begete obaro gose dust coat bono rigo siarukire yanga ribaga rigo sibiko siarukira awali na atumie to gosiara gusembe karwensembe ngao riogo rigo siarukire mekono ga iga no gosio nabona atwari trashes and kaminyo kanyagitari so when they advised me no nili gutumeka safety gear kumbe safety gear tali saving the window bo engineer kyangu no bole mina baro no bo engineer so na ndikara na tumeke bintebi kanyora ngabono mbeo necha eliko gwa itaje ego bigoro gose mask igoro gose yagwere dust coat gose obaro ono ustibuti igona ba safe
Mbia muno sana nekero kwagurire ebintu bya okurwase nonye eduka ya Josemu nakio kubinyora sinka yao ona bokonyora omuntu aganeti kuro oiga busongo lakini asakubira nare
mbia muno murari Josemu ngo bali delivery services ekero kugure ebintu bingi toko gendo gure eriogo echubeyemo o expect bago delivery sometimes kero request tinando tumanete nabo bago kubekira none matatu lyago ikere sole so aiga kero bago kubekira it is at your cost because kero go tumachi besa chirigo se kwa baka ne se tili kyangu comment ole chirinke kero kini kero ko ire bintu bire bulk bijaiga na bago koletera baka bakurigine simi kwa musigo ba delivered linde linaye gwe konye soko nyore bintu so raisi
Yanchama ekero mogora deliveries ingendo kiko sekero kero muntu naro o munchi umurigene naro kweboria nga endaga ni kukona nonye amoyo gose ebintu ebingi kurwabo naki ngotwara muri expenses chinde as a deliveries?
As a deliveries, nateba buya. If it is a small pack, toteba uri gochi magenje, for example, and you want something, it is also costly gocha na kogenda. You can call. Ekero gwakire simio tebe mtaite riogeri neri, gose muchando ni mugondo noroyo. Togo advice togo tebio riogo neri, na bogwakana, toto momonte stage kubekera goche gari. That is one. Number 2, ekero mogore ten bulk, it is one direction. Maite na inde ngwa kore the tonnages, because it's also economies of scale. If more gochi magenje, let me use that place again. You are in that direction, one route. Egare to choire tonnage, you are 3-4 people. Egare na bego paki go musigo mwagora moyo feeds cheche ngoko chechombe tokobekera nyamo mwarete runegari. And it is within a certain radius. But when we get tonnages, we bring that to you. Yes, so you can always call. Whatever you want, this, and this. When you go to that direction on a particular day, we have days on which we go to different directions based on the demand. It will go. And if better thing, to have a box of something and the vehicle is coming that direction, we can show our musico that is coming that direction and Matilda unaipata wherever you are, if you're lucky that day that it comes there. Yes, but one thing ambayo nitasema pia ni kwamba wakati ambapo okorete room musigo origo chasore. Again, to ensure is we are always will communicate. Mkwanya room musigo condition ya mbiyere. Yes.
Igo naki obwa matebo ino bwabeire na abalimu abere mo gokorera emirimo kose abalimi bali babeire bagutarira ebi chiduka cheno.
Oh, it has been great. I will smile and say that it has been great. Saying gentonke ye kiyabuna onerio mondo, for example, abuate tutebe kimonyasi chingeni chai. Mambi no customer mogeni mambi achago saberi ogori echiombe. What does that tell you? Erioge rie kemonyo ndia mokonyete. And for us, that small impact toko koraso toko vega somoreme is very important to us. Our goal is however much na make it na own it. Nkiago konyo. Ekero kiago, and we will for every farmer we have receipts that the payment receipt. My gaga mostly on their receipts we write a number. Call me in case you have a question. We talk orege sengenjo. Tota ito be comfortable. It is one thing with a stress. It is another kwa avoid yogo and riago mental stress. The relationship has been amazing. Na inde mbuya mono sana sabari miyago.
Na complaints chabona kimo chi handle sengenjo mbale kero kende baratu aruboba mbale batemire go tema go kuba consultative intone. Na ki complaints chiro chimo abere mo chi ko chi handle.
Complaints are very much welcome. Very much welcome. We've had them. Those are challenges. As we said, we have those challenges. And with assurity, I would say we've handled all of them very well. It will be a communication breakdown. You had something differently. Yeah, interchange. We understand that. We will guide you through. Complaints, feedback, paramount.
Ndiabona sana ikiagera umoremi nero monyete services ici ningi kiragira na inde ochore kiro kende kogenda se eduke ya Josemo rekero asekero
moralia embwate testimony y'uburimi obo erabe ya maseko ena kondese dio muntu mugondo ekero konyantara amanya Josemo lige saliane lia bwikaine lie jirani yane aisina contest lakini ekero na chite Josemo ngaba advice tinkali maybe tuma omuntu yatebete no buganga ntayite ko bateinga ubuganga mburi ase lirema ubuganga bore chisemo chingaonye bukaro lakini ga it is real koroko genda Josemo no ubuganga bwebimeri bure no ubuganga bwobole mibure enaga sete iguru pakanka uru mugondo yesina ariko kondesa ngana agasire mono igo igento ngoteba nkeringa muntu ndebwensi utaguterigesa including yabasani abane bangure to mugondo yesina ba contest rero ntete ko bamanyinga bayice Josemo banyore na barabu eriogo ry'obuganga ry'oburemi nchose muri gotoka uno kogenda no ebintu bya chose mu mugondo bakoneirie embusuro obuoyo na advice bagokwa ayebono obuganga bwako bwatire bweriga salinene
mbia mono sana ndoche aiga Otiso nande agotebanga Josemo wakopoa sana Julius Omosomba agoteba korwa amakara matutuse kimnyamira na indi agoteba nwarime yomuroberio Liz Cynthia agoteba kondani kabisa Dennis Mose agoteba tuko ndani hadi mwisho na Empress G agoteba nwarime Bishop Isaac Kiarambe Magara Ekiarambe Gitaka kurwasingira Rusoki mpaka Omosaria Kevin Chelsea agoteba nware ime yomuroberio na Rosi Michiama kuri Nairobi Pipeline omongne na habi mbia mono sana ase bonsi ase ayorio gendete gusangana into ase omuroberio yeiga nande isengenjo yebiro obono nyanchama to kwane no muremi ekiagira ndabokone na baka chinamba chia eduka yeno ase njira yo gukora ningiraga nigotebyo muremi igoro yo oboremi oboiga nabo igo obotumiki gose okugora ebintu kurwase chiduka bikubotera no boremi
mbia uno murario chiduka ne chinyinge chire gusi ya ito chikonia chimbusuro chiao ni bintu byoboremi yawao lakini nchego ndatebyo muremiga inju chosemo no konyora the right advice at the given time elinde elio nyore gintu utagite kegokonye kuimukiriga saliao omoelio abantu mbali bamintu barabaremi lakini baumisire abaamate babo bari customer chiabo igo nko basabaiga kikwa irwe ryogonye ne ryengombe yebyanda batebiri gukurucho semo ngari ko irama tukogete umanye gukama amabera yawo umanye kujara amanye ko bamaye sokonyu bakibwati amachiko nto isikore mara ni muinuga iga gukuviko ko umuremi mu customer amabera mabe uruwarire go turanyore customer so korugabo number 2 onye gwasiarire ryogo chingeni tiga gusiarira amatuka ariyo irataraera oimoke ochiaye ominyokie chiro o abantu burwaire abantu abana buchi customer chiao ono roli kugoite customer ngo chikoneri so tubwati amachiko buna togote ikurucho sema kiafya buna mario gali ikire elinde elio tonyare gokonya abantu baito tonyare komenta chi customer na products chaito chinyare ko bachingia as a consumption yeah
mbia mono sana nindo chekero tugucha ukora roda ruta kuboli when we need passion seeds how do we get them and by how much, how do we cover the soil and how do we plant?
Wow. Okay, the entire planting unfortunately into what seeds, but we about wakeresime we can always liaise on how to get them. Ochi simeka
matunda yaliyo kuranda.
Yes. Ochi simeka bantu mero bako ni seedlings. You prepare the seeds kwa vikase bags kwa gora seedlings that we can always liaise na kia konyora seedlings. Abore nainde how do we plant? When you get the seed,
iroba kiribwene tugusimeku nainde inaki biranyare ko rikolendu bakalikine.
Aso kolenda aso ugosimeka diroba again tonko mote onye gataite kugenda commercial again tugetanga ninda motebe na bwente kumanyo muchangoye nenini ko pale. One of that is where we bring in again tukoroka soil testing.
Yes.
So that amanye toko ira igotu
support.
Yes. Nainde the NPK ratios na bwente kumanya na kichire inkikemise tio amente. That will be the first thing. Na bona motebia sime no bugo sime kandonsi. Lakini
te kwa machibwari kwa
ngati esengenjo ntomanya tinkikira so muchanga.
Igo roda Ruth ndaboko banyora wetira se namba erabe ase screen yabo namba ya Josemo ngoye kwa nare na ndaw mwere erindo nyale gusange birengere byao nabo onyore obumanyi zaidi kubwatikana anobo simeki wa matunda yuganetie.
Okay. Na kwa nire igoro ya ogo spray ntobwate spray kits okubeka so that we protect ya yomonyene ntobwate gari Josemo you can pass by mangana na era ringa nobeke dust coat ogo sibwa ombore exposed Yes, spray kit yero utaipata. Yes.
Ningigeragera omuntu achore Jose mwasitage KM ekira utugukora
Josemo asokonia Mario gari ebimeri byonsi ebintu byetugo pocket friendly. Ntomanyete times are hard. We try as much as possible to cover umuremenere benefit from there. Pocket friendly na vera berioge is cheaper. Pocket friendly na bogo changwa advice egento kwari go chutumeke kenge kebege kake ose reduce your time of consumption igari mugondo. Number 2, ntubwate genuine products. You can attest asense to yakeni twekera stobwate a lot of counterfeits.
Yes.
Yes.
Unabona moya yabwato muchanga.
Yes. Ntubwate genuine products. Yes. Genuine products hapo utapata. Then customer service. Gasi yetu tari gukoneri tu. Tutaite tokoneri nainde mambioche.
Na bomo gutware bintu omo customer kewe kari kwanyora nga togonyeru gusa kwane rugobe kerarize complain mo saka wake simi teri ko bwatu.
Our customer service, I will tell you freely, is top notch. Ntaite nkoneri mambioche nayo woke. And our phone numbers echimogo share screen, we are always available. You can always call. On tari karibizi yake, they can give you a different number for someone that is free. Variety of products. Naki na hote bincha kire ukwane raga a range of products will take a whole week, 24 hours a day. We have a range of products. Josemo unkonye ruka a one-stop shop. Everything is under one roof.
Ebyo moremi aganite.
Yes. Amario kuruetugo mugondo. The rest assured utazipata pale. That is why ngote ebi moremi karibu sana Josemo. Josemo is a one-stop shop. You will be happy. They will walk this journey with you.
Kwani rasi chiduke chona na bukuru rasi chiduke chichire na boigo chinamba cheno chisimi ekira otogo cha gukora.
Okay, asante sana. Tobwate chiduka ibere Bosongoga. Tobwate opposite Blood Bank. Tobwate yende opposite Post Bank. You are opposite Blood Bank. It's Jose Momega. Na vanye maite taonega. Jose Momega. Then tobwate yende Keroka. Keroka agari echiro. Josemo is there. Josemo Distributors Limited. We are in Transmara, Kilgoris. Josemo Nero, Bungoma. Ono montore Western, do not struggle. Nga, ninta get something, we have Bungoma. We will serve. If you are in Transmara, Kilgoris is there. Keroka, Kontobanya Mire Opandengine. Yes. So we have 5 branches. Opposite Kisi Teaching and Referral Hospital, opposite Post Bank, Keroka, Kilgoris, Bungoma.
Ande muvangite ko chikommente chini.
Oh, I'm telling you. It is going to be bigger and better.
Number chesiwi.
We have 0791 444 734. 0791 444 734. Eyende 0791 444 732. Yeah.
Biya mono sana singinjo yebiro na fotore ko ganiko sanga abange hasense meyo yoboremi korende egoikira aiga nonda chigo kolera ko sino tora chigo kolera ase ekenyese ke kyo mweri kyo morobire gabwitwani ya getembe oyu nigo are Nyanchama nere Marcela Nyanchama ore o nere sales executive korwa Josemo Distributors na boigo na renge no moremi oye Mr. Fred Moriasi oyo gukora oboremi bw'ibando na boigo obwetubo ka omancho morigereria ngokora neria mbe mono sana asokugendera kuba omwegeno na inde onye koganetie kusekubate okuborio konde wensi na bogotumia enamba ira sekero rege TV yao na boigo mitandao yetu ya kijamii unabono chinsemi cha Facebook watanyara kuna Getembe FM chinsemo chiri cha YouTube Getembe TV and FM. Go mancho murigereria no kwateri bagaria bene rio kobana intekera asekero na inde mbuya bono sana. Na bali bonsi banyarire kwenekia umorobirira onyarire wikiranire wikirana anene mono abateneneria na bonsi bari ase chinsemo chiria cha production na berenerie mbuya mono sana. Erietari ane Matilda baigwa kendera gutigara ime ya Getembe Television erinde ogendere kwego keria na boigo guchingira emiroberio ekobwatia wikari tukoriankyo bye bye.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamurama chikuya mandegere. Uzito somya bamurama chikuya mandegere.
Getemba Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi. Getemba Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.